everyone, this is Natalie with Leaders RPM. Today we're taking a closer look at the 2025 Centurion Ri245, a 24-foot surf machine delivering the biggest, most customizable waves in its class. It's also paired with uncompromised luxury finishes. At the core of this Ri245 is Centurion's ram fill system, often called the ballast supertanker. Ram fill fills 2 underfloor tanks beneath the main cockpit. These tanks fill in under 90 seconds, offering up to 3,000 pounds of displacement almost instantly. This boat includes bow, rear, and transom ballast, bringing total weight to over 5,400 pounds. You can fine-tune the weight on either side in just seconds, making a perfect wave for surfing, wakeboarding, or just cruising. Centurion's placement of ballast sets it apart. Instead of concentrating most of the weight in the rear of the boat, Centurion distributes it evenly across the hull. That means a level ride, full visibility, and waves that can be fine-tuned to any level of rider. Paired with the Roswell Predator Power Tower with convertible bimini, you've got strength for tow sports, shade when you need it, and plenty of board storage. With strapless Roswell 2.0 bombshell swivel board racks mounted directly onto the tower and additional board storage integrated into the bimini overhead. The Predator Power Tower raises and lowers at the push of a button. One of the Ri245's most thoughtful features is the full bow-to-stern walkthrough. You never have to step on a cushion to maneuver through the boat. And with non-skid gator step flooring, it's easy on bare feet. Storage is abundant. Under nearly every seat, in the transom compartments, and even integrated into the floor. Gas shock assisted hatches make it easy to load bulky gear while keeping everything tidy. Set the mood with the interior lighting package and highlight your wave with Technic underwater transom lights. The Centurion 12 Warrior sound system delivers crystal clear audio throughout the boat. With 8 integrated speakers and 4 on the power tower, you get perfect sound at riding and surfing speeds. Up front, the Ri245 features large, comfortable bow seating, giving plenty of room for passengers. The Cool Touch upholstery upgrade keeps seating comfortable in direct sunlight. The boat features a total capacity of 16 people, making it perfect for hosting friends and family. Centurion lets you make it truly your own. From the gel coat finish to upgraded upholstery, lighting packages, and interior touches, every detail can be tailored for your style and comfort. Let's talk about the comfort features. The Ri245 is loaded with features that make a huge difference when you're out on the water. We've got a discreet trash can built right in so it doesn't take up any extra space on the boat. There's cup holders all throughout the boat, 22 in fact, so no matter where you sit, you always have a place for your drink. On top of that, there's 4 integrated wireless charging pads throughout the boat to keep you charged during those long days on the lake. My favorite feature for us Michigan boaters who like to be on the lake from May to October is we've added the icebreaker package to this boat. It includes 2 cockpit heaters to keep you warm on those chilly mornings. The icebreaker package even includes a seat heater for our dedicated drivers. A transom remote keeps audio controls right at your fingertips. Paired with the flip-up stadium seating, it's perfect for sandbar lounging. From its industry-leading ram fill ballast and 5,400 pounds of capacity, to its walk-through layout, deep storage, luxury finishes, tower convenience, and advanced sound system, the 2025 Centurion Ri245 sets the standard for premium wake boats. Come check out the Centurion lineup at Leaders RPM in Kalamazoo, Michigan. Thank you.